Alright, so welcome back guys, this is Ante Studio. So in today's one, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Telegram on your seller account, like how to integrate your Telegram. When people buy something from you, they will come immediately to your Telegram group or Telegram channel, anyone. So in today's one, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all you need to do is for you to go to your seller, type on your seller, click on the three slanting line that I see at the top. Just click on the three slanting line and that's at the top. When you click it, it's going to bring you here. It's going to bring you can see all of them. You can see the integration. Look at the integration that I see in there. You click on the drop down arrow on the integration that I see in there. So once you click on the integration that I see in there, it's going to bring you to another page that are going to look like this. You click on the Telegram. I see the Telegram, that's what I was writing Telegram new. The integration will bring us all these things. Just click on the Telegram that is writing new, which means it is new, or it is still new. So it will also bring you here. Once you click on the Telegram, it will say to log in with your Telegram. So you click on login with your Telegram. Once you click on login to your Telegram, it will just bring you out all these things that I see here. Login with your Telegram account, seller.com and seller both. This it. So enter your phone number. You enter your phone number. Once you just enter your phone number, they send you a verification email via your Telegram. You can see it here. The Telegram here, you can see it. They'll send you a verification mail on your Telegram. So you need to open it. So once you open it, you're going to take your time to read what they sent to you there. Also, after reading it, you just accept it. You accept it. You see the thing there. Can you receive a request to join to log in on your seller.com with your Telegram account? And see it here. You click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, they're going to write for you there approved. They're going to write for you there approved, and you see that you'll be approved immediately. So you come back here. You come back here, refresh it. They will bring out this thing accept. Depends on how your own is going to open. It depends on how your own is going to open, but follow this step and look where on your own when you're doing it. They may bring out another form, or they may use another form to do yours. So all you need to do is for you to click on this accept. According to my own, you need to click accept. Don't forget what we did. We come here, click on the Telegram, open the Telegram, and we did this confirm. So we need to go back to our Telegram, go back. Now open the group that we want, click on the profile, the name, and you see the subscribers here. You see the subscribers. All you need to do is for you to click on subscribers. You click on add a subscriber. You see add a subscriber there. So once you've done that, you click on the search. You click on the search for you to search. You tap this thing, try seller boot. You see it will come out, and you just click on it, add as admin. You're going to add this as an admin. So once you click it, you give it all this right. Click on the mark good button. Now you are going to go back there, go back and refresh. After refreshing your page, you see successful and all these things. So you can see here, there's no page here. You can see 0/1 page groups here, 0/1 group. So here that I see on 0/1 group, all you need to do is for you to refresh it. Remember, we gave access to admin to seller bots, try seller bots on what type. So all you need to do is for you just to refresh it. After refreshing it, you just scroll up. You scroll up, no group found. But after refreshing it, you scroll up. You see that your name will come out here. You see that your name will come out according to my your own will come out. But be careful on doing yours so that you will not make any mistake on yours. Yours might be different. So at the last here, you're going to see successful down that the on the CapCut that you're going to see here. The CapCut will just come out. And see it. The CapCut will just come out. And see it. CapCut Pro active active as admin. You can see it. So the seller bot is now the one that is going to be adding them and be removing them. So that's what the seller bot is going to do for you. Alright, so after when we are done with all these things, you can see the CapCut active admin. You can see it says active 1/1 group. So all we need to do is for us just to come to our home. Click on, or maybe we are just going to scroll up. We are going to click on products. Click on products. I know that I see what I'm doing. So all you need to do is for us to click on these products. You can click on, first of all, add and click products. You can see all products. So but all we're going to do is for us to click on add products. You can see it. So you're going to click on add products. So let's add the products. So Based on what you are doing, we are going to select a digital product. I use this opportunity to learn how to do this. Click on digital product that I see here. Click on it, digital product. So I'm going to click on next. You can see this next. Click on next. It will open. Let's wait for it to load. So it has loaded up. So all we need to do is for us to add a image, drag and drop. Select any image at all. Then just select this. This is my flyer. This flyer here. Let's select it. Alright. Done. Name of this thing. Name of products. Input the name. Sales price. 1000 naira. You scroll up. Can put the strike out original price. Strike out original price 5000 naira. Going to move up. So this is where you are going to input your text. Just anything, you can just put anything, type anything at all, So I'm just using this thing to teach you something. So yeah, from here I'm going to choose category. Click on category. Select the one that you are doing. Maybe select software and tech. Select it. Subcategory. You are going to choose app and tools. You can see it. So you have to scroll up. You can give access to them immediately to the app, but this is not what you are going to do because of using this integration method via Telegram. So you are going to do it via Telegram. Click on the last one that I see here. Automatic redirect the buyer to an external URL after you purchase. Click on it. So from here now, all you are going to do is for you to add the website. Do you understand? The link, the Telegram link. Come back to your Telegram. Let's open the Telegram together. So click on the profile again. Click on the profile. Click on the personal icon that I see at the top. Click on the personal icon. Now scroll down until you see invite link. Click on your invite link. Let the invite link load up. Let the invite link. Now click on it. Copy the link. So once you have copied the link, so all you need to do is for you just to go back. So they'll be generated with this link once you are done. So press the link here. Do you understand? Press the link. So the link here, you have pressed the link. So let's check whether everything is correct. So we have pressed the link. Alright, so let's click on create product. Look down, you will see create product. The last one here. So create product. You can see it. You have copied the link. So this link here that is here now, that's what is going to redirect them to have access. Create product. Let's wait for it to create. So we have done creating it, and our product is now live. And you can change this link. You can see it. This link here is not looking that good. You can just change the link by going down, scrolling down. You can see customize URL. Here. So click on that customize URL. Change it. Look down here. You see it. So you are going to change it to something meaningful. CapCut 101. You click on good. So you just update products. So from there you actually see that the name is going to change. I see it's here CapCut 101. So you can click on the options you are seeing here. Click on the option. Let's go to public link and see it. So that's why you can see it. You can see it here. So with our write up and everything, so you have to arrange everything accordingly. You can see everything. So once they click on the buy now, it's going to take them there immediately. So after watching this video to the end, and you see that this video is very, very helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and share. And drop the next video you want me to do on the comment section. So alright, we are going to click on buy now and see what's going to happen. Click on buy now. You put the name and the email. Click on pay. Oh no, so I think that with this now, I don't want to pay right now, so I don't want us to pay. Let's just go back and change the price. Let's go back and change the price to 0000. But the first of all, pay. I don't want to pay. Let's just put the price 0. Let's just put the price 0. So I don't want to pay for this. So update products, update it. I just want it to be free because of this tutorial. Do you understand? So this is a tutorial. Let's go back to the options. Go to public link and wait for it to load up. Now, alright. Now it is free. You can see it here. It is now free. Now click on get now and input your name, input your email, and click on continue. Let's see what's going to happen after it's loading. Let's see what's going to happen. Alright, it's still loading. Let's just wait for it. It's trying to check out so that you can have access to it. So you can see it here. Hi Ono. Hi Uche. Thanks for your purchase. You can see it. It will now redirect us to this Telegram. You can see it here. And we are going to click on join channel. Join channel and select your Telegram. You can see it. Now this is how it works, and it's going to open the CapCut after loading up. So this, I think that this is the end of this video. So after watching to the end, you have watched this video to the end, you saw that this video was very, very helpful for you. Kindly like, subscribe, and share so that I'll drop this kind of every video next time. And also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop this kind of helpful video, you'll be among the first people to get access to it. You can see it here. So it has loaded up immediately. So that's the end of this video.